There you go. All right. Old Chevy dump truck. There you go. Your average. Can't see in there. There you go. Not your average. There you go. Old Chevy dump truck. Alright, I'm still in Brooksville, Maine. And as you can see, this place has not been in business for a while. It's an old Chevy pickup truck in the days when they made small ones. Eagles. Yep. Let's see. There you go. What's in here? Shelves. Yeah, shelves and old barrels. I can't. There you go. An old unused garage. What's in there, huh? Well, I'm not going to break in to find out, but there's plenty of stuff out here. Plenty of stuff to just... Boy, what is in there? You never know. Well, it's a veritable museum out here. There you go. Old 1920s truck bed. Reused as a crane of some sort. Oh my god, it's classic. Classic redneck truck. Let's see. Huh. Florida Booster. Alright, here's an old classic Jetta. Donut box. Huh, what the hell is that? Let's see, that looks like an old Chevy. No, let's see. I think it's an old Chevy van. Let's see what's that? That looks like an old Ford LTD station wagon. I know, because my parents owned one of those. Chevelle, I think. Oh yeah. Store your junk in here. Yeah, Ford. I'm not up on my cars, unfortunately, but okay. Oh my god. Yep, he's got a veritable museum / junkyard out here. Oh my god. Oh wow, I think that's it looks pretty similar to my 79 Dodge Aspen. Oh wow. Well, this is a museum of 70s cars and vans. Wow. Pretty cool. And this is just a small little garage here in Brooksville, Maine. Lots of junk. Huh. Electric, Ellsworth. Reed Electric. Well, Mr. Reed had an electric business. Oh, it's an old Dodge. Full of pipes. There you go. And something to do with it. Storage, you know, hubcaps and pipes. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Abandoned garage down here in Brooksville, Maine. Cool. Oh my God. Old helmet. Yeah, old engine block. Engine blocks. Tanks. Truck beds. Beds in truck beds. Huh. Well, and this could be yours for the low, low price of whatever. Definitely some sort of 30s, yeah. Because I mean, what truck uses wood? Except something from way, 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 way back. Okay, this is Drew in Brooksville. Thank you for coming along. I'll see you later at the next video. Or coming soon. SK Auto Service. SK Auto.